dipper has had me absolutely demented. I'm looking all round here. And can you see it? Aye, there. God. There's not a substantial nest like that other one. Just a... You can see it in there. Looks more like a wren. That. No wonder I couldn't see it. There's no way I can see in. But I think, yeah. That. There's the dipper's nest. Casualty there, the ram just in this little stream, not very deep, took a tumble from somewhere, possibly here, big rock against its head as well, yeah, casualty, they're only quite sure-footed around these areas, but yeah, took a tumble. Get up at this one now. What's in there? That's the blackbirds. Yeah, it's got 4 eggs in there now. Nice one. To have a look in here. This is a new sunthrush nest. Catch it. How many eggs is that? 4 in there, I think. Yeah, that's a nice little, just a little fallen tree again. Looks like an old one there as well. Aye, but there you are. It's a songy. There's another little wren. It's a nice little build. Again, there's no feathering in it or anything like that, but it's very substantial. I certainly wouldn't say that was last year's. Got exposed in the base of this big tree. It's a little beauty, that. Nice one. Just having a look up in this one. It's quite a new one. I'll have a look. Blackbird or some thrush. Let me see over the top. It's pretty new, that. I'll have a look when I get back. Song thrush, looks like. Oh yeah. Not quite there yet.